We wanted to experience snow and ski destination while in Japan pero ayaw na namin yung malayo, yung sasakay ka pa ng plane. So, we go to Nagano. And here's the perfect 4 days and 3 nights Nagano Prefecture itinerary na hindi nakakapagod, hindi rush, at perfect kahit may kids, seniors, or buntis like me kayong kasama. Day 1. From Tokyo, nag-Shinkansen lang kami to Nagano for around 1.5 hours. And upon arrival, we just drop the luggage, go to the hotel near the station lang, then diretso na tayo sa Zenkoji Temple. First stop, Nakamise Street. They have cafes, souvenirs, snacks, ornaments. Actually, dito pa lang, we spent more time na than inside the temple. Compared to Sensoji Temple sa Asakusa, definitely more laid back here and you can find more cultural ornaments kaya don't miss this spot. So, after nating mag-food trip sa Nakamise Street, punta na tayo sa Zenkoji Temple. It was founded in the 17th century at dito mo makikita yung hidden Buddha statue na hindi pinapakita sa publiko pero yung copy na lang ang sinishow nila sa public every 6 years for a few weeks. Very laid back, peaceful, it is perfect to start our first day in Nagano. Day 2 is the highlight of the trip. It is ski day. We took another 1.5-hour bus ride to Hakuba, Iwatake. This is the main ski resort. Bus tickets are booked beforehand since kailangan ng reservation and ang ganda ng view on the way to the northern Japan Alps. Snowy areas, yung rivers apakalinis, forest, and the bus ride itself pa lang is like a scenic view. We arrived around 11 a.m. na in Hakuba, Iwatake, rented gears, and claimed our only lift tickets that we book ahead of time via Klook. By the way, you can use my discount code KLOOKGG in your Klook bookings, especially sa hotel, kaya save nyo na yan. And also for Agoda, it's GG Agoda for up to 10% discount in hotels. And this one, bago to, Adulting Engineer for up to 10% off in your activities, tours, SIM cards, and etc. bookings via Agoda. Kaya just save these codes. Most of us, this is the first time to experience snow, kaya ang saya. It's not that cold unless lumakas ang hangin, but slippery ang hard ice. Kaya make sure you bring snow cleats with you kahit snow boots pa yung suot nyo para hindi kayo madulas. What are we actually looking forward is this view of northern Japan Alps. Look at this view. This cafe has the best view of Hakuba Mountain Harbor. Hakuba is famous as a winter destination after it hosted the 1998 Winter Olympic Games. And you know what that means. Amazing ski destination. They have cafe, food truck, and a restaurant here also with various food you can choose from. Definitely, this ski getaway is the highlight of our Japan trip. Kaya make sure to add this into your itinerary. Talagang I swear. And now, day 3 is Snow Monkey Day. If there's one thing that you shouldn't miss exclusively lang ha in Nagano, it's the snow monkeys. 1.6-kilometer hike lang siya to visit the wild monkeys, bathing in natural hot springs. But since slippery ang trail, snow cleats again is a must-have here also. These monkeys live in a large social group and ang saya nila panoorin just doing their thing. It's amazing. Sanay sila sa turista. They can be observed from close at hindi ka naman nila papansinin. But remember, it is prohibited to touch or feed the monkeys kaya better respect these wild monkeys na lang, okay? And lastly, day 4, we are going back to Tokyo. After breakfast sa hotel, we check out na and we walk na lang to the station for our Nagano to Ueno Shinkansen ride. So there you go. That's our chill Nagano 4 days and 3 nights itinerary that you can copy, and also don't forget to use my discount code GG Agoda for up to 10% off in Agoda hotels, and Adulting Engineer naman for your tours, activities, transportation, SIM cards, and etc. booking via Agoda. Up to 10% discount yan, kaya save nyo na. On the next videos, I will show you your guide to go in these destinations, how and where to book bus tickets, ski trip total expenses, and Nagano winter survival tips. Kaya make sure to like, follow, and share.